Were his parents rich? Were his parents rich? अगर आपसे अभी के बारे में पूछते आर योर पेरेंट्स रिच? आपके मम्मी पापा अमीर हैं? आर योर पेरेंट्स रिच? In the past, were his parents rich? Well,
Want rich.
They weren't rich and they weren't poor.
Suhani, you and Guria need to take a little bit of a break before you answer, because you are doing it for the second time, you know. So you should give them the time to answer first, those who are doing it for the first time. Okay. Hello, Vidya. Ah, 5. Well, they के साथ was लगेगा? अच्छा. Well, they were rich and they, well, they were not rich and they were poor. तो and क्यों बोल रहे? They were not rich and they were poor. ऐसे क्यों बोलेंगे?
They were not poor.
कौन बोलता है? वो लोग अमीर नहीं थे और वो लोग गरीब थे. Dilshad, Abdul, Prince, Aiza, Sania, Taiba. I'm waiting for an answer from all of you.
Which one, sir?
Not from you, Guria. Not from you. I'm not waiting for an answer from you or Suhani or Shabnam. I'm waiting for an answer from the other students.
I know, sir.
Yes. Come on, guys.
Well, they weren't rich and they weren't poor.
Yeah, they weren't rich and they weren't poor. They weren't rich and they weren't poor. I mean it, गरीब भी. They weren't rich, they weren't poor either. Remember the word either? We can use here. They weren't rich and they weren't poor either. His father, Don Jose,
Is a painter.
was a,
Is a painter.
his father, Don Jose, was a painter and a professor of art. His mother, Doña Maria,
Was a
housewife.
was a housewife. His mother was a housewife. 9. So
Was
Picasso good at drawing.
when
When
he was young.
he was
Shabnam,
When he was
be more active. Sorry, Israt, Farzeen, Shabnam, you will speak later, of course, you know, when they're done. I hope you know the answers, Shabnam. I hope you know the answers. I hope you're not getting them wrong. Well, so was Picasso good? क्यों बोलेंगे ऐसा? Picasso was good तो बहुत common. Picasso was good. लेकिन question है, we were before the sub. Was Picasso good at drawing?
when he was young.
when he
When he
was
was young? Was Picasso good at drawing when he was young?
yeah.
Was Picasso hostel students? Why did you join so late? Hostel students, why did you join so late?
नेटवर्क इशू हाँ सर नेटवर्क इशू
Oh, really? We have 100 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, and you guys had network issue. Okay, let's see. So, was Picasso good at drawing when he was young? When he was young means जब वो जवान था, जब वो
No.
बच्चा था, जब वो छोटा था, जब वो कम उम्र का था. Was Picasso good at drawing when he was young? Because he was a child prodigy. Was he good at drawing when he was young? Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
He was a
a
child.
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 He was a child prodigy.
He could draw.
He was
He
a
could
He
draw
was
before.
draw
He could draw before
before
he
he was speak
draw
his
before
first.
he could.
he could
He could draw
speak.
before he could.
He
Drawing
could
is not
speak.
ability. Is an ability. Can नहीं use करके past. Cool. He could draw before he could speak. Drawing उसको कब आ गया था? बोलने से पहले. He could draw before he could speak. He could draw before he could speak.
Speak.
His first word. His first
First word
His first word
Was lapis.
His first word lapis. कुछ पढ़ना नहीं खाली जगह में. His first word
was
Was
normal.
lapis.
First word is mom. First word is ma, ammi, ma, mum. But his first word was lapis, which is Spanish for pencil.
For
He did not say ma, he said pencil in Spanish. And what is Spanish for pencil? Lapis. So his first word was lapis.
lapis.
Lapis. His first word was lapis.
Lapis.
Wow, what a story.
Wow, what's a story?
Lapis.
This is 5 point.
5.30.
Tape script 5.13. Pablo Picasso. October the 25th, 1881 to April the 8th, 1973.
Hey,
सारे लोग सुने थे कल भी जनवरी द 5th, अक्टूबर द 7th, लेकिन अनुष्का आराम से बोलती हैं अक्टूबर 2. इससे क्या पता चला कि हम सीख नहीं पाते कि हम जो सुन रहे उसका आगे एक्सटेंशन क्या है. अगर हमने एक चीज सुना तो उसको प्रोसेस करके अगर हम सोचेंगे तो हम अगले स्टेप पे पहुंचेंगे. हम वो नहीं कर पाते. हम सुनते हैं वहीं तक खत्म हो जाती बात. कल हम लोगों ने सुना था क्या? जनवरी द 5th, अक्टूबर द. तो इसका मतलब हमें समझना चाहिए था डेट इंग्लिश में ऐसे बोलते हैं. सुनते समय दिमाग चलना चाहिए था. ओ, डेट ऐसे बोलते हैं. मतलब अगर हमको बोलना है 5 जनवरी ना, तो हम बोलते हैं जनवरी द 5th. ओ, ये होना चाहिए था कब? सुनते समय या बोलते समय? दिमाग चलाना कहते हैं. अगर आप ऐसे दिमाग चलाओगे तो लर्निंग आपकी फास्ट होगी.
look at that painting. It's a Picasso.
Oh, yes. Fantastic.
Where was Picasso born?
In Malaga.
Ah, so he was Spanish.
Yes, he was.
Were his parents rich?
Well, they weren't rich and they weren't poor. His father, Don Jose, was a painter and a professor of art. His mother, Doña Maria, was a housewife.
So was Picasso good at drawing when he was young?
Oh, yes. He was a child prodigy. He could draw before he could speak. His first word was lápiz, which is Spanish for pencil.
Wow, what a story.
Tape script 5.13. Pablo Picasso. October the 25th, 1881 to April the 8th, 5.13. Pablo Picasso. October the 25th, 1881.
He was born. He was on this date. He was born on October the 25th. October the 25th. 2019? 18? 18? 81.
1881.
1881.
To April the 8th, 19...
He died. He died
Died.
on October the
On
8th of
October.
April.
On April.
73.
Hey, look at that painting.
Hey, look at that painting. The wife pointed out. Hey, look at that painting.
It's a Picasso.
It's a Picasso. It means it's a painting by. It's a Picasso.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Where was Picasso born?
Where was Picasso born? Where was Picasso born? Easy question now. Where was?
In Malaga.
In Malaga. Where is Malaga? Where is Malaga?
In
Where
Spain.
is Malaga? In Spain. Spain is the name of a country. Where was Malaga? Malaga is in Spain. Because when he says he was born in Malaga, then the wife says,
Ah, so he was Spanish.
so he was Spanish. Acha, Spanish tha na?
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was. हाँ, Spanish था.
Were his parents rich?
अमीर घर से था क्या? Were his parents rich? Was he from a rich family? Was he from a rich family? Yes. Just a minute. I'll be there.
Well, they weren't rich and they weren't poor.
They weren't rich and they weren't poor.
His father, Don Jose, was a painter and
His father, Don Jose, was a
a
painter
professor of art.
and a professor of art.
His mother, Doña Maria, was a housewife.
His mother, Doña Maria, was a housewife.
So was Picasso good at drawing when he was
Was Picasso good at drawing when he was young? जब छोटा था तो अच्छा था क्या? Was he good at drawing?
young?
Oh, yes. He was
Oh,
a
yes.
child prodigy.
He was a child prodigy. He was very talented.
He could draw before he could speak.
He could draw before he could speak. उसको बोलने से पहले आ गया था drawing करना. He was so talented. He could draw before he could speak.
His first word was lápiz,
His first word was lafitte.
which is Spanish for pencil.
Wow, what a story.
Are you ready to practice this conversation with a partner? Okay.
Yes.
Go ahead in the breakout session and start your practice, everyone. All right, guys, everybody. Sanya, you will not go to the breakout session, I guess, right? Okay. Everybody else, go and practice, please.
No, sir, I will go.
Okay, I'll put you there then. Go ahead, everyone, practice the conversation. Come on, practice the conversation, children. Guria, there is no point in you trying. Don't try. Just stay here and practice on your own. Guria, there is no point in trying. Your network never supports, your device never supports. Okay. So Taiba, why are you here? Taiba is gone. Okay. Sanya, are you still here? So practice on your own, Guria. Okay. I'll be back, guys. Guys, practice.
You look at the green thing, it's gone for 2 years. Fantastic. It was pick up some Malaga. Sure he was famous. But well, they were not rich and poor. His father only was a painter, professor of art. His mother, Donia Maria, was oh, what Picasso did. A drawing means he was famous. Yes, yes, he was teaching. He could draw before he could speak. His first word was lettuce. This is famous for lettuce. This is famous for mother living in look at it. This is what should be. Born October the 25th Spain, yes, in Spain. I'm wondering one followed me nearly found a beautiful piece of art. His mother in the house first because he could a drawing room was in. Oh yes, he was a childhood, so he could draw before he could speak. His first word was love. This is Spanish potency. This is Spanish potency.
Sure. Oh, yes. Where was Picasso born? In his Melbourne. इसमें क्या His parents what is rich? So parents is rich. Parents are rich and father don't job.
Did you understand every line? Practice with me. I'm A, you are B. Hey, look at that painting. It's a Picasso.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes, fantastic. Fantastic.
Where was Picasso born?
In America.
Ah, so he was Spanish.
Yes.
Yes, he was.
Were his parents rich?
Will they want
One,
rich?
they and his father also was a painter and daughter was artist.
His mother, Dawn
Mother
Maria,
Don
was a
was
housewife.
Housewife.
So, was Picasso good at drawing when he was young?
Oh,
Oh,
yes.
yes.
As a
He
child
was a
prodigy,
child
The child
prodigy. He could
prodigy.
draw
he could
before he
draw
could reach
before he could
Before he
speak.
could speak.
His first
his
word
First
was
word
lapis, which
was
is Spanish
lapis,
for pencil.
which is Spanish for pencil.
Wow, what a story. Now, question answers? पूछेंगे कहाँ पैदा हुआ था पिकासो? Ask.
Where was born
Where
Picasso?
was born Picasso?
देखो
Where
देखो
was
देखो
your born, sir?
एक सेकंड पहले पिकासो के बारे में बात कर ले फिर और देखो फिर
Okay.
एकदम गुस्सा आ जाता है सुहानी एकदम गुस्सा आ जाता है सुहानी जो करते हो ना उलट पलट
Where
फिर से
was
पूछो सुहानी
Picasso born? Where was Picasso born?
बर्न या बॉर्न बर्न
Born.
क्या बोलते हैं बर्न बोलते हैं
Born.
तो पहले अपनी
born.
ख्वाहिश दिखाइए बोलने के लिए जो जल्दी बोलना चाहेंगे तो बर्न बन जाएगा जलना
Where
Where
was
was
Picasso
Picasso born?
Born. Born.
He was born in Malaga. चलिए पूछे कब पैदा हुआ था?
Where was
When was
When was
Picasso born?
Picasso born?
Right? बोलेंगे he was born on October the
October
25th,
25th,
1881.
1881.
अब आप क्या पूछेंगे मुझसे पिकासो के बारे में और क्या पूछेंगे?
When was Picasso?
Okay.
Where was
Where was Picasso born?
वही तो बताया मैंने he was born in Malaga. हो गया अगला सवाल पूछिए कोई और सवाल बनाइए बहुत सारे सवाल बना सकते हैं गरीब घर से था अमीर घर से था were his parents rich
were his parents
were his
rich?
parents rich another way was he from a rich family was he from a rich family
Rich family.
was he from a rich family was he from a
Rich.
right फिर पूछिए उसके पापा का जॉब what was
What was
his father's job
job?
what was
His father's
father-
job.
answer
His father
he was a
He was a
He was a
He was a dad and a
Ask
professor.
about him. उसके mom का name पूछो. What was his
What
his
was
mother's
his mother's
what was his mother's job?
mother's
What
One
was
job?
his mother's job?
his mother
He was
was a housewife.
He was a
He
housewife.
was a housewife.
housewife.
Next.
Would he draw when he was young?
Could he draw? Could he draw when he was young?
When he was
Yes.
young.
He could draw before he could speak. He could draw before he could speak.
His
उसका पहला शब्द क्या था? पूछिएगा सवाल. भूल जाते कि आप इंग्लिश सीखने बैठे हैं. आप जवाब देने लगते हैं. आप हिंदी में पूछोगे, आप हिंदी में जवाब देंगे. इंग्लिश की क्लास हो रही है. भूल जाते हैं आप एक सेकंड में. मैं आपको आइडिया दे रहा हूं कि ये सवाल पूछिए.
what was
What was his
was first word?
What was his first word? What was his first word?
His first
What was his
word
first word? Answer? It was
was
lapis,
first word was
lapis,
Latin.
which is Spanish for pencil.
When
Yes, the hostel students were saying something. Go ahead.
हेमंत भैया प्ले विथ ट्रॉली.
Come again, Ayush. Speak louder and come closer to the screen and speak.
भैया प्लेइंग सूटकेस.
Who?
हेमंत भैया.
हेमंत.
यस सर.
हेमंत के लिए बहुत टॉर्चर है बेटा. अभी जो कर रहा है ना, वो उसके लिए टॉर्चर है, क्योंकि उसको बचपन से आज तक इंग्लिश सुनने का कभी मौका नहीं मिला. ही इज फ्रॉम अ विलेज. ऑलराइट. स्पेंट मोस्ट ऑफ हिज टाइम स्टेइंग इन अ विलेज. तो बेटा हेमंत, बस यही कहूंगा, थोड़ा कोशिश करो फोकस करने की. 2-3 महीने के अंदर इतना बोर्डम नहीं होगा जितना अभी हो रहा है. अभी एक स्टूडेंट आया है, कल आएगा वो. उसने मैट्रिक कर लिया है. उससे मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ इंग्लिश में ऐसे हो जा रहा है. I asked him, where was your, which school did you study? Nothing. मैंने कहा इंग्लिश सुनते आप ऐसे हो जाते? तो बोला हाँ सर. वे कल बैठेगा क्लास में. कितना चैलेंज रहेगा उसके लिए और मेरे लिए, बहुत, दोनों के लिए. तो यहाँ पर कैरेक्टर का टेस्ट होता है. जब काम मुश्किल हो तो कौन करेगा? स्ट्रांग कैरेक्टर वाला या वीक कैरेक्टर वाला? तो आप जान लो, जब आप पीछे खराब रहे इंग्लिश में, अब आपको इंग्लिश सीखना है, तो जो चीज आपकी मदद करेगी, दैट्स योर कैरेक्टर. इफ यू हैव अ स्ट्रांग कैरेक्टर, यू, लाइफ में कोई भी मुश्किल आती है, स्ट्रांग कैरेक्टर वाले झेलते हैं, वीक कैरेक्टर वाले भाग जाते हैं. कोई भी मुश्किल, तो इट्स अ बिग चैलेंज. आप एकदम नई भाषा, जैसे विद्या को देखो, शुरुआत में बड़ी मुश्किल हो रही थी उसको, ठीक है, लेकिन वो मानने वाली नहीं थी कि मुश्किल होती है. ना ना, सब ठीक है, सब ठीक है करके. अभी भी वो करती है कई बार, सब ठीक है टाइप, लेकिन लगे रहना है. तुम बहुत आगे आ गई, जहां से शुरू की वहां से. अभी बहुत रास्ता है, दूर. घर से निकले, पटना पहुंच गए पैदल पैदल. दिल्ली बहुत दूर है, लेकिन घर भी तो नहीं, घर पे भी तो नहीं. अब हम बहुत दूर आ गए घर से. तो वैसे ही जर्नी लर्निंग. So don't think you start today and you become fluent tomorrow. It never happens. झूठ बोल के सब फायदा उठाते हैं, ऐसी बातें. It takes a long time to learn. Depending on characters. जैसे हमारे फैज साहब को बहुत समय लगना है, शेख साहब को कम समय लगना है, आपको इनसे भी कम समय आपको लगना है, लेकिन उनको अब तीनों में सबसे ज्यादा समय लगना है. पर्सनालिटी, माइंड, ability to process information. You're not the same person. So just be ready to work hard and show strong character. That hard काम हो, मुश्किल काम आए, चैलेंज आए, तो हम भागते नहीं है, हम लड़ते हैं. अंशी, इसलिए मैंने कहा था कॉम्प्लान पी के आना है. पी के आई हो? ये नहीं, कुछ पी के आई हो? कुछ भी नहीं. कुछ तो पी के आना चाहिए. तुम एक गिलास दारू ही सही है. सिगरेट पी के आ जाओ. सही है, सही है अंश का. सही बुद्धि दे रही लड़की, कह रही सिगरेट ही पी के आ जाए, कुछ नहीं तो। पीने की चीज है, सिगरेट पीते हैं हिंदी में। हिंदी में सिगरेट को क्या
Some,
करते हैं बेटा? पीते हैं, राइट।
some,
ड्रिंक नहीं करते हैं सिगरेट को इंग्लिश में। पानी को ड्रिंक करते हैं, वाइन को ड्रिंक करते हैं, टी को ड्रिंक करते हैं, लिक्विड्स को ड्रिंक करते हैं। सिगरेट इज नॉट अ लिक्विड, वी कैन ड्रिंक सिगरेट, ओके, वी कैन स्मोक इट।
it means failure.
तो आप करोगे? आज कल वाला नहीं करा, किसने किसने नहीं किया? हाथ उठाओ ईमानदारी से, मैंने कल किया, घर गए वापस आ जाए, हाथ उठाओ। ईमानदार, मेरे साथ ईमानदारी दिखाओ। मैं तुम्हारा बॉयफ्रेंड हस्बैंड नहीं हूं, तुम मेरे साथ ईमानदार हो सकते हो। कम ऑन, गर्लफ्रेंड भी नहीं हूं, चलो ईमानदार, कम ऑन बताओ मुझे। बताओ कि मैंने कल कोई पढ़ाई नहीं की, यहाँ से क्लास खत्म हुआ, हम घर गए और फिर वापस आए हैं, मैंने कुछ नहीं बीच में किया, ना लिसनिंग की, ना रिवीजन किया, ना रिकॉर्डिंग देखा। प्लीज कन्फेस। कोई एक अब्दुल कह रहा है कि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, और एनीबॉडी एल्स इज ऑनेस्ट इनफ? हॉस्टल स्टूडेंट सारे के सारे, दे डिड नथिंग, बट इट इज नॉट देयर फॉल्ट, ये उनकी गलती नहीं है। दे डोंट हैव मच, you know, they need the audio there. I will arrange things for you guys. बट बाकी लोग ऑनेस्ट नहीं है या हार्ड वर्किंग है, क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं आप लोग? सब लोग हाथ नहीं उठाए, इसका मतलब आप लोग झूठे हो या हार्ड वर्किंग हो?
हार्ड वर्किंग।
बंद है।
ओके देन, अब तो आप बहुत सारी बातें कर सकते हैं। मेरे से पूछिए तो कि सर आप कब पैदा हुए थे?
Sir, when were you born?
इट वॉज ए वेरी 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 ट्रेजिक नाइट, बहुत दुख भरी रात थी वो। yeah, it was a bad day for the world when I was born, because I am shaitan number one. Yes, I am shaitan. Yeah.
बाहर
I was born on the
5
2nd of 1980. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कहाँ हुए थे ये बताइए?
Where
Where
was
was-
you? Where
In
were
a
you
very
born?
very
sir?
dark room with lots of snakes around. Okay,
हाँ.
just kidding. I was born in my नानी घर। और क्या पूछना चाहेंगे? आपको चलना का कितना मन में आया था सर? कब चलना शुरू कर दिए थे सर? How
When
old were
was-
you
How
when you
how old
When you
when
when you
go to
My mother says
walk.
I walked a little late. I walked a little late. I couldn't walk until I was, I think, 2 years old. मुझे
2
बोलना
years
कब आया?
old. Little.
how old were you
How old were you
When you could speak,
when you
talk,
could
speak, yeah, talk. Well, I think I was just one and a half. Okay. और क्या पूछेंगे? आपकी मम्मी कहाँ पैदा हुए थे? आपके पापा कहाँ पैदा हुए थे? पूछ सकते हैं? कैसे पूछेंगे?
when were your
और
mother born?
he, she, it, I के लिए was, you, we, they के लिए were, plural के लिए were. All right, we are wrapping up now. We are wrapping up now. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ होमवर्क। इतना सब करने के बाद प्रैक्टिस बुक, second page of Unit 5. Second page of Unit 5. Practice book, everyone. I've got the practice book for you, Anushka.
Okay.
My mother is providing.
Pass it to her. All right, guys, we are wrapping up for now, and we will continue tomorrow. Second page
Bye,
of
sir.
Unit 5. That's your homework for tomorrow. Second page of Unit 5. Page number. Yes. See ya. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Revise the lesson, guys.
Bye,
Study
sir.
hard. Bye. Bye-bye, everyone.